All right, homework day 17 is writing the equation in slope-intercept form given the slope and a point. An equation in slope-intercept form looks like this. Y equals mx plus b. The number in front of the x is the slope of your line. The number on the end is your y-intercept. So they call it slope-intercept form. It says a line passes through the point -6, 5 and has a slope of -2. Write the equation for this line. Well, since I know the slope is -2, I can put that in place of the m, which is right in front of the x on my equation. So I'm going to write y equals -2x plus b. In order to find the equation of my line, I need to find the y-intercept. I'm going to do that by using this given point. If x is -6 and y is -5, we can plug them in and solve for b. So, putting -6 in for my x and 5 in for my y, I'm going to have 5 equals -2 times -6 is 12 plus some number b. Then all I have to do is solve this for b by moving the 12 to the other side. So I'm going to minus my 12. -7 is going to be my answer for b. So I still need to write the equation in this form. Y equals, my m value was -2, so -2x. My y-intercept, I'm not going to put plus a -7. Plus a -7 is just -7. And so y equals -2x minus 7 would be the equation of my line. So a line has a slope of -6 and passes through the point 1, 3. Write the equation for the line. Again, I know my slope is -6, so I know right away I can put that in for m. Y equals -6x plus some number b, which is my y-intercept. So again, we know that it goes through the point 1, 3. X is 1 and y is 3. So 3 is going to equal -6 times 1 plus some number b. And then I have to solve that. So 3 is going to equal -6 times 1 is -6 plus some number b on the end. We want to solve that for b. So all we need to do is move our 6 to the other side. Adding 6, 9 is going to be my y-intercept, my b value. So putting that in my equation, y is going to equal -6x because my slope was -6 plus 9 because my y-intercept came out to be 9. So y equals -6x plus 9. One more of those. This time we had a fraction in there because everybody loves fractions. The slope here on this one is -3/4. So y equals -3/4 x plus some number b that we need to find. Again, it gives us the point. So x is 4 and y is -6. So -6 is going to equal -3/4 times 4 plus some number b. Well, they made this one kind of nice because I can do some canceling. So 4 goes into here once and into here once. -3/4 times 4 is just -3. So -6 equals -3 plus b. Solving that for b, I'm going to add my 3. So -3 is going to be my y-intercept. So my equation, y equals -3/4 x, since -3/4 was my slope, minus 3, since -3 was my y-intercept. Now taking that same concept, now moving it down to when I have a graph and how I can write the equation of my line. So again, we want to